Hi everyone, Angela here. Today I want to talk about propagating string of bananas, which is right here. These are some of my favorite plants ever, and I think propagating is such an awesome way that you can make more plants and share them with your friends and family. So this is my mother plant here. She's long and stringy, but look at all of this great growth that I have. You can see they kind of wisp out at the end. But this plant is incredible. I don't even know how long that is. It's at least 2 feet long. And I just got her this summer. She's so beautiful. So anyways, what I do, I come down and you take about 3 inches and snip it off. And then I'll remove some of the bottom bananas so I can put them in the water and they can start rooting. So this is my propagation station, my fancy propagation station. Most of my plants get propagated in glassware or old vases, which you've probably seen. But anyways, you can see inside here, these guys have been rooting for about 3 weeks now, and you can see there's already some incredible roots growing. So what I'm gonna do with these this weekend is actually I'll pull them out into soil, or pull them out and place the rooted ends down into the soil. And then since they are longer strings, I will wrap them around in a circle here so that they can root to the top of the soil. And then as they grow, you'll see that they'll kind of like creep their way out of the pot, and they'll start to trail down, which is the ultimate goal with string of pearls, string of bananas, string of dolphins. I really want some of those. So if anyone has any, let me know where you found them. But the trick, once you get roots growing and you get them in soil, I keep all of my plants under a grow light when they're in this stage, because I just feel, well, at least my succulents, because they just need that extra, that extra sun to do what they need. And also you can see like there's a lot of pot here and not a lot of roots. Because they are new plants. And so I do have a mister. I didn't bring it over here right now, but I mist from the top down instead of just drowning it in water, because they just don't need all of that water. But anyways, at this stage, I just do the grow lights, so full sun, and I do the misting on the water. And then once they get up to, full awesome pot size like this, I keep mine in a sunny window next to a grow light so that the bottoms have extra sun. And then I fertilize with a cactus fertilizer, I don't know, I'd say probably once a month in the growing season. Right now it's winter, so I don't fertilize. But come spring, when things start growing again, I'll definitely bring the fertilizer back out. And I water these guys probably once every 2 weeks. I'm not a very good waterer, so I wait a little bit longer, but I do the misting every couple days when they are at this stage, because they're used to the, all of the water and oxygen from the propagation station. So that's it. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in the next video.